Hello, boss buddies. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I hope you're doing well today. Guys, I am just leaving from the gym, but I wanted to stop by and do a quick video. For those of you on my channel for the first time, welcome. Welcome to this great community where we are called Boss Buddies. You are on this channel, whether you're subscribed or not, you're already a boss buddy, okay? So listen, guys, I am today working. We're expecting a snowstorm in North Carolina in a couple of days. So I wanted to make sure I had enough supplies to keep me busy if the storm should last for more than a couple of days, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what I've already accomplished, okay? And I counted my baskets this morning. I have a little over 100 large baskets, and then I have probably about 25 little small items, okay? So about 125 Valentine's gift baskets already done. So listen, guys, I hope you are working. I hope you are getting in your bag, making your money, making boss moves, okay? And preparing for this great holiday and this great influx of money that's about to hit our way. So I'm going to show you my baskets that I already have made up, and then I'm going to show you guys the haul that I got today. I'm using my daughter's phone. I promise you guys, I am going to order me a phone really soon, because I am missing out, or you guys are missing out on a lot of things that I could be recording. My phone takes selfies. It will record inward, but it won't record outward. So I have to wait until I get a phone so that I can bring you guys along with me on my hauls, but I will show you what I bought. Okay, so now we're going to look at a little quick clip and show you the baskets that I have made. And they're all over my house, guys, okay? So don't mind all the extras, okay? All right? Okay, so here we are. This is in one room of my house. Baskets galore. I even got them up here in the chair. I got them over here on the side. And here are my baskets, guys. And I promise y'all to get y'all a video within the next day or two showing you how to wrap these boxes, okay? And what you'll see is, I want to tell you guys as well, when you are preparing to do a multitude of baskets, what I do is I go ahead and get my boxes or my baskets, whatever I'm going to use, and I just go ahead and drop items. I go ahead and start categorizing items that's going to match each other and just throw them in the box. I then come back after I've assembled about 10 or 15 boxes, and these I have not finished yet, but I just went ahead and start putting different things in the box that's going to go in the gift box. I've already put those items in the box, and then once I've assembled quite a few, then I come back and begin to organize the items in the box. But this helps me to, since I do so many gift boxes and gift baskets, it helps me get organized and have all of the items in one location when I start to wrap. This one is my favorite, you guys. I absolutely love this. I love this. This is my favorite. This is the largest one I've done thus far. You can't really tell how tall it is, but yeah, this is the biggest one I've done so far. So here's another room with items, and you guys see everything. It's not assembled the way it's supposed to, so don't judge me, okay? I just got it sitting in the box so that I can come back and organize everything, okay? And you guys can see I have vases. I have this box right here is going to be like a kitchen, not kitchen, a bathroom set here, okay? These price tags will be covered before I wrap them. Look at my quick short that I posted last night. If you didn't see, make sure that your tags are not showing on your items, okay? So as you can see, you do not have to make traditional gift baskets or gift boxes. As you can see, a lot of the ones that I've shown, I have handbags because I have a boutique as well. So I'm using some of the handbags in the gift boxes, okay? I'll show y'all a completed look when I'm done, okay? You do not have to put traditional items in the gift baskets. Here is another one that I did. That's one of my favorites. I absolutely love the colors that's in that. But y'all, let me show you some of the things that I got yesterday. Well, I'm gonna move this box over a little bit. But you see, these are the platters that they have at Dollar Tree and all other stores as well. But I only paid 25 cents a piece for these because they were part of Christmas clearance. Remember, I told you guys, do not pay full price for stuff if you do not have to. That's going to help you make a greater profit when you're only paying a little bit. I also picked up a few Bibles last night from Dollar Tree so that I can add those in the spiritual gift baskets. Those always does really, really well for me. And I'm sure if you make some, they will for you as well. And these are, what are these things called? I want to say bath bombs. They're kind of like little bath bombs. But anyway, I got quite a bit of those yesterday from Dollar Tree. These are really cute. You can add them in a mug. And again, this will be a really cheap gift that you can spend $1 to $2 on and sell it for about $8, okay? I also found another cake book. I love to find these books on cake decorating from Dollar Tree. And I'm able to make cake decorating gift baskets. Those always does really well. So I did find one more of those. Well, not one more, because the other ones that I showed in my previous video does not look like these. But I love beautiful and colorful books like this. So be looking for these types of books in your local Dollar Tree. This is another item that I got, which I only paid $1.99 for. Really nice, thick. You see how thick it is? Nice, thick fleece blankets that I only paid $1.99 for at my local Roses department store. I don't know if you have those in your neck of the woods, but if you do, that is a great item to add in your gift baskets. February is cold, and that's a great large item to add into your gift basket. So you guys, make sure that when you're buying items that you try to buy items that are not so small. I know a lot of people go to Dollar Tree. Again, I love Dollar Tree as well, but I love to shop at other stores that will help complement the things that I buy from Dollar Tree, right? So when you buy items, make sure you're not just buying little small items, that you're buying kind of big, bulky items, so that when I say big and bulky, I mean like the blanket that I showed you guys. That's a nice size item that's going to take up quite a bit of space in your gift basket. We're not trying to lie or whatever, but that is a form of marketing to add larger items to your gift basket. And it gives an illusion that there's more in the gift basket. And even though it may not be more, it's going to be more quality items in it. So make sure you're buying not just really small items, but larger items as well at a discounted price, so that you can add money and profit to your gift baskets, okay? So guys, I am going to get off this video, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys real soon on another video.